Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about a script called IMFA, Indian Metals and Ferroalloys Limited. I request you all to go through the disclaimer first. The total study in this particular recording, the mob psychology or the data analysis or the graph study, is based on the past performance of the script, which is subjected to market conditions in which all type of risks are involved. The risk factor is there. Here I like to announce that we are not promoting any individual script or any company. We are making an educational video. Purpose, knowledge sharing. We are not promoting any individual script. Purpose is knowledge sharing. The knowledge can be used for long-term investment. The time horizon minimum 3 years to 5 years, where we can expect multiple returns over the period of time. This all are subjected to market conditions. This is the website of the script. You can go through, you can collect all the fundamental required details. For the technical part, certainly I will be assisting you. The IMFA. Face value 10 rupees, 52 weeks high 571.6, dated 17th of April 2018. 52 weeks low 203 rupees 20 paisa, dated 12th of February 2019. Closing price 252.1, dated 18th of April 2019. Let's check the historical data. The all-time high 834, which was marked on 13th of October 2010. In a 6 years of span, the script has come down and touched a low of 98.1. From there, the script has taken support and moved up also. Let's check. Here the shareholding pattern. Promoters are holding 58.69%. Public is holding 41.31%. The dividend provided by the script is in a regular interval. The dividend is also pretty impressive. You can check yourself. This is the all-time graph. Here you can see once it has touched 870 mark. From there the selling pressure has pushed the script down. It has marked a low over here in 2016. The pattern from here is lower top and lower bottom, which was pushed down, and the low was marked on 2016. From there the script has tried to move up and pierce the level of 600 above, but it could not able to surpass the level of 870 plus. The most impressive part, the trading volume. The trading volume is pretty good and pretty decent. A good trading volume, traded volume. The dividend provided is in a regular interval. The script just shows a roller coaster ride. From the peak it has come down, again it is moving up, it is trying to make some movement. The movement are very steep. The script has got the potential to move up. From the peak of near about an 700 mark, the script has again come down to a level of 203 rupees. You can check yourself. For the better understanding and detailed study, I had taken a 5 years of graph. The 5 years of graph, you can see from 2014 to 2019. The low marked in 2016 over here. From there, the script has made a very big movement up to an 797, near about an 800 mark, but could not able to cut the all-time high. Due to the selling pressure, the script was pushed down. It has taken some support around this particular point, and it's near about an 350 levels. From here, the script has moved up to a level of 700 plus. Again, here you can see the double top. Due to the selling pressure, and one M formation has been formed. Due to the selling pressure, the script has been pushed down. From this particular peak, the formation is lower top and lower bottom, which indicates an selling pressure, and it has come down to this particular level. Here, the script has now sustained for a period more than 60 days, and it is trying to move up. It has touched an 272 level, near about 270 level. If it crosses that particular 270 level, it can make a very big movement upside. For the better understanding and detailed study, I have taken 2 years of graph. Here, This is a 2 year of graph. You can see better the double top over here. That is 770 level. The two tops has touched near about 770 mark. From there, the script has been pushed down to a level of 203 rupees. From there, the script has taken some support and it is trying to move up. If it breaks this particular 203 level, then only the script is weak. Otherwise, it will try to move up only. Why? Because the traded volume and the deliverable volume is pretty impressive. I have combined this particular 2 years of graph with the RSI, Relative Strength Index. Recently you can see the script was into an overbought situation where the natural selling has pushed the script little bit down. Now the current scenario, the script is neither in overbought nor in oversold positions. But the RSI is giving a very good indication as an overbought and oversold position where the natural buying or natural selling comes to sustain the upward or to maintain the downward movement. The RSI gives a very good indication. If the situation is overbought situation, the natural selling comes in to neutralize the position. If the RSI is below 25, indicates an oversold position, some buying strength comes in to sustain the script. That is the strength of RSI, Relative Strength Index. Here I have taken an 1 year of graph for a better understanding and detailed study. Now you can see RSI is in the middle. It is neither in overbought nor in oversold positions. The point to be noted, if it breaks the level of 272 or 300, it will make a very big movement upside. It can easily surpass the level of 400. Why? Because the deliverable position and the traded volume is all pretty impressive. For the better understanding and detailed study, I have taken a 6 months of graph. Here you can see there are 203 levels. The script has taken very good support and you can see the double bottom also. The script is trying to move up. It has touched the level of 272. If it breaks the 275 levels or 300 level, it can make a very big movement upside. Both the levels will be acting as a resistance. The 272 and the 300 levels. Here I have taken a candlestick chart. You can see the 203 or 205 mark is a support level to the script IMFA. From there, the script has moved to the level of 270 plus. If it makes a movement further upwards, certainly it's going to move up. And below 203 only or below 205 mark only, the script is weak. Otherwise, it will try to move up only. If it breaks the level of 270, the 299 or the 300 mark is expected. Above 299 or above 300, what next? Let's check. This above 300 mark, 347 is predicted. Above 347, 385 is indicated. Above 385, 506 is indicated. The script can make a very big movement upside. The script got the potential to move up in a very fast and rapid manner. Above 506, 591 is indicated. Above 591, 780 rupees is indicated. Above the 770 or the 800 mark, the script can make a very big movement upside. Here the full graph, you can see, it looks like a roller coaster ride. From 2010 to 2019, I have taken all the graph. Below 205, the script can make a downside movement to 100 rupees level. But at present, there is no such scenario. There is no such weak scenario indicated in the graph. If it breaks the level of 205 below, then only the script is very, very weak. It can come down to a level of 100 rupees. As per the historical data, 98 rupees once it has taken a support and it has moved up. You can check yourself. The script has touched and it has made a very big movement upside. If it breaks the level of 800 plus, the script can make a very big movement upside. It can break the all-time high of 870 plus also. Now, I have taken, there is a time concern. That's why I have taken 4 months of data alone. Here you can see the deliverable quantity and the percentage of delivery is really good. You can see the traded volume is really thin, but the deliverable quantity is really impressive. It is a January month data. The February month data also. The deliverable volume is pretty impressive. The 40 to 50% or 70% as taken as a delivery. This is for the March month record. Here you can see the deliverable volume is pretty impressive. They have taken in a huge way. Near about 60%, 70% in the day on day basis, the volume is a deliverable volume. But the traded volume may be very thin, but the quantity of delivery is really huge. This is for the April month, from 1st of April to 20th of April I have taken. The traded day was 18th of April last. The total traded quantity and the deliverable volume. The deliverable volume is pretty impressive. More than 50 to 60% the quantity has been taken as a delivery. As per the 7 days data analysis, the 250 rupees acts as an support, 261.9 acts as an resistance. As per the 15 days 2 weeks data analysis, the 15 days data analysis, 261.9 acts as an big resistance and 250.05 acts as an support. The 1 month data analysis, 272 acts as an resistance as an 1 month data analysis. For the support point, 250 acts as an support. Let's check the 3 months data analysis. As per the 2 months data analysis, 203.2 or near about 205 level acts as a very big support and 277.75 acts as a resistance. If it breaks the level of 275 or 300 above, the script will certainly make a very big movement upside, and below 203, if it breaks, the selling pressure will be huge. It can easily test the level of 100 also, but 100 rupees will be very good buying level. But at present scenario, there is no such indications. Now we have come to an mob psychology study. The total study of mob psychology is based on the total traded volume and the total deliverable volume. It is over the period of time, not for 3 months or 4 months. I have put in such a combination, the total traded volume and the total deliverable volume. We get few levels. At present, I have assumed that 203.2 is a support level recently taken in the February month. The script has marked a low. I have assumed that the script has sustained more than 60 days above one particular point. So I have assumed that 203.2 acts as a support, and if it crosses above 264 and above, sustains for an over the period of time, then it can easily reach up to a mark of 305. Above 305, 366 is indicated, and above 366, 406 is indicated. Above 406, 610 is indicated, 610 rupees. Above 610 rupees, 1016 is indicated, where the script will be breaking the all-time high. And above 1016, 1674 is indicated. Above 1674, 2560 is also indicated. This total study is not based on short-term purposes. It is only for the long-term purpose, and this particular mob psychology is in testing phase only. We are going to test it for more than 100 scripts, and we are going to check the accuracy. We have tested it for many scripts in which Tata Motors and the Yes Bank has given a very good result in a very short period of time. You can check yourself. In my recording, it has been registered or published. Here you can see that the total study which we have made indicates these all levels. When one level is being crossed, the script has to sustain over that particular level for a very big period of time, near about 3 months or 4 months. Then only it will surpass the next level. We have to check consequently the total traded volume and the total deliverable volume. Then only we can assume that it is going to cross the next level. If these all the levels are achieved, the script should sustain above the particular indicated level. It may be 300 plus, 366 or 406. If it sustains above 406, then the script is indicating that it is going to touch the level of 600 plus or cross and sustain above. If it is not going to sustain above, certainly it is going to come down. If in near coming future, if the script breaks the level of 203.2, then this theory will not work. The total study which we have made in this particular recording, the mob psychology, or the graph study or the data analysis are totally based on the past performance of the script, which is subjected to market conditions in which all type of risks are involved. I repeat, risk factor is there. Here I like to announce, we are not promoting any individual script or any company. We are making an educational video. Purpose, knowledge sharing. The knowledge can be used for long-term purpose alone. Time horizon minimum 3 years to 5 years, in which all type of risks are involved. Risk factor is there. I like to thank each and everyone who has supported me till date and in coming future also. For the newcomers, I request them to subscribe the channel, press the bell button so that you will be getting the latest information at the faster rate. Thank you very much.